Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Hello, Form 3s. This is English Second Language, and welcome to today's topic, which is comprehension and vocabulary. Okay, so I hope everyone remembers what comprehension is. Okay, comprehension comes from the word to comprehend, which means to understand. So every time that you write a comprehension, you should know to say that the examiner or the teacher wants to know your understanding levels. Okay, so some of the words, questioning words that we look at in any given comprehension are as follows. Who? Every time you see the word who in a question, you should know to say you are being asked about the characters or the doers of a particular action. Okay, characters, who did this, who did that particular thing. Okay, when you see the word what in a comprehension, okay, you are being asked about a main idea. What is it? Okay, that leads from this to that. They want you to pick out the main idea and not the many possible ideas. Okay, the major thing. We also look at the word where in a question form as well. Where entails that you should give an answer about a place. Okay, not a person, but a place or a setting, in other words. We also look at another questioning word, which is when. When you see the word when in your comprehension, it means you're being asked about a time, a date, or an era. Okay, what time did this take place? On what day did this take place? Okay, that is what you ought to answer accordingly. Okay, there's also another way of questioning, which is the why. Okay, when you're asked why in a comprehension, it means that the examiner is looking for the intention. Why did this happen this way? So you give a reason as to why you had a certain outcome. So the why is asking you for an intention. Okay. Then lastly, under the comprehension, we also look at the how. When you're asked the how in a question, it means that we are looking for you to give us an answer about the manner in which something came about. Okay, the manner. So we are saying who, we are asking for the characters or the doers of something. What, we are asking for the main idea. Where, we are asking for a place, okay, or a setting. When, we are asking for the time, date, or the era. Okay, why, we're asking for an intention. And how, we're asking for the manner. Okay, failure to understand this brings about a confusion where you're being asked about when, which is a time or a date, and then you start answering about a place, which is where. Okay, understand all these questions very well, and then you find that your comprehension writing will become easier, if not easy. Okay, secondly, we look at vocabulary. Okay, so vocabulary, we're saying we're looking at the usage of words which explain meanings. Okay, these are a collection of words which are usually alphabetized. Okay, you may be given a text to read and you'll be asked to explain what particular words within a text mean. So there will be a collection of words. They may or may not be alphabetized. Okay, that's to say placed in chronological order, just like you have your A to Z. Okay, you never see us saying Z, B, X, Y. No. There's always an order from A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, such that if you're looking at a text, we'll ask you the first word coming from the first paragraph, the second word maybe from the second paragraph, just like that, in that order. That's what it means when we say it is usually alphabetized, okay, in as much as we make a collection of these words. So I hope that this will make your vocabulary easier to do now.